Hello everybody in this snowy day evening. So we have a Citroen C4 Picasso 2007 year made, and we have a problem with this car only in winter time or in cold weather. There is no problems at all in the summertime. So what the problem is actually, when you're getting into the car, you can't start it. As you can see, I have already a lot of wires all the way around. So when you turn on ignition, as you can see, there is nothing. There is nothing on the screen, nothing in here. There should be a science and stuff like that, but there is nothing. You switch on ignition and there is nothing. Only thing what you can do, probably you can unlock your car if you are lucky. If not, you can't do even that. All we know in these Citroen cars, we have loads of electronics, and everything is controlled by the one ECU, which is in here, usually in Citroen and Peugeot cars. This is a BSI. It's a Joyce Johnson's, I would say. I already unplugged it off. It's a very, very important ECU. I would say this Johnson's Corporations, or in other words, this is a BSI unit. So actually the problem is with it, when you heat it up with the fan or stuff like that, or when you take it off and get inside of a home, put it on the heat, so you heat it up, all problems is gone. You plug it back in, you can start the car pretty easy, and there's no problems at all with this control unit. So I don't know what's happening on with this, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take it and reprogram. So basically we're gonna copy the software from this one to the another one, used one, or the new one, I don't know. Do we? Cat? Hello, Kitty. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to replace this unit, because definitely this is a problem, and why your car is staying without electrics. Okay, and now we are reprogramming the ECU. So already the BSI is in the place, just right there. And yeah, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start the engine. So let's put in the key. You see the panel is on. Press the... Lovely. Perfect job. All running, all good. So the BSI is fixed. It's basically exchanged with another one. And yeah, everything is good. So thanks for watching, and good luck with your BSI reprogramming job.